Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush mountains, there lived an old and wise Zen master. People from far and wide would visit him seeking guidance and wisdom. Among the curious visitors was a young man, eager to learn the secret of how to read someone's mind. The young man approached the Zen master with great enthusiasm and asked, "Master, please teach me the art of reading minds. I want to know what others think and understand their deepest thoughts." The Zen master smiled warmly and invited the young man to sit with him under the shade of a cherry blossom tree. He picked up a small pebble and handed it to the eager seeker. "Tell me," the master said, "what thoughts arise when you look at this pebble?" The young man examined the pebble intently, pondering its shape and texture. "Well," he replied, "it's just a simple stone, nothing more." The Zen master nodded approvingly. "Indeed," he said, "but let me tell you the true art of reading minds." He gestured toward the village square where people were going about their daily activities. "Observe the world around you," the master continued. "Just like this pebble, each person carries their own stories, fears, and dreams. But instead of trying to read their minds, listen with your heart." The young man was puzzled. "But master, how can I listen to their hearts when I cannot hear their thoughts?" The wise master chuckled gently. "Words are not the only means of communication. Pay attention to their actions, their gestures, and their eyes. Look beyond the words they speak, for often, the heart reveals what the tongue conceals." The young man took a moment to absorb the master's words. He then asked, "Is it that simple?" The Zen master smiled knowingly. "Yes, young one. The secret lies in being present and compassionate. When you quiet your own mind and open your heart to others, their thoughts become clearer, and their true selves emerge." With newfound understanding, the young man thanked the master and returned to the village. From that day onward, he practiced mindfulness and empathy in all his interactions. As he listened with his heart, he discovered a deep connection with others, understanding their joys, sorrows, and fears without ever trying to read their minds. And so, the young man learned that the true art of understanding others lay not in delving into their thoughts but in embracing their humanity with empathy and compassion. He walked the path of wisdom, guided by the Zen master's teachings, and became a beacon of kindness and understanding for everyone he encountered.